The passive thing, I don't want to downplay it, but passive investing, I look at the market that we're in now, and I talk to a lot of people that are trying to get started. They're just trying to figure out how to wholesale. Again, they're watching YouTube and they're watching Facebook and they're getting all the wholesale information. And the reality of it is the market that we're in today, prices are still high, interest rates are still high. You're not getting, properties, single family homes, small apartments that are distressed at 60 cents on the dollar today. I really wish we were, but we're just not, 70% all in. Today we're probably 85% all in. But when you're looking at cash deals in the market that we're in today, things get very difficult because there isn't a lot of equity for you to make some of the moves one might need to make. So being creative in how you structure the financing across the board, no matter what you're doing, in my opinion, at any time, in any market, is going to be the most important, most valuable way to do this business because it creates cash flow and passive income, not just paper money. Being asset rich means nothing. I just don't believe in it. I mean, you got to have the assets, and over time, that equity will build up. And I won't get in too deep here, but there is the buy, borrow, die method that a lot of people, they never sell anything. They just wait a few years and refinance it and live off of the equity because they don't have to pay taxes and blah, blah, and all that great stuff. But, I tell people you got to start from somewhere. If you're worried about money, start making more. And if you can make more money by bringing in investors to help you take over this property, then that's what you need to do. If it makes you $400 more a month, great. You're making $4,800 more a year. What's that going to cover? Your car note? Okay, great. Now you don't have to pay it, right? On a small level. But that's a precursor to where you're going next. My mentor had a mentor. His name was Jules. And Jules bought multifamily. And he had a very simple underwriting process. Can I make $100 a door going in? It's probably a very bad New York Jewish guy accent, but that's how I hear it in my head. Can I make $100 a door going in? That's his underwriting process. And if he could make $100 a door per month going in, he bought it, and he never sold anything. Never. And he would let the little guy invest with him. He said, Miles, you got $50,000? This is my very first. I was an LP on this deal. It was a 600 unit building they were buying in Florida. Miles, you got $50,000? Yeah. Okay, give it to me. You're in the LP, but you're going to work for free. Okay, fine. I mean, where do you get an education? A better education, I should say. And I made money. Where do you get a better education than work with people like a guy that has 10,000 doors, like a guy that manages an asset base of nearly $60 million? I'm giving you everything you need to find success as a real estate investor. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel and like this video. See you later.